Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list? In this video, we'll unlock the power of effective goal setting. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT to design personalized routines. Let's transform chaos into clarity with simple steps. First, let's talk about daily routines. A routine structures your day and saves time. Start by identifying your most important tasks. List everything you need to accomplish. Break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Next, let's discuss to-do lists. A to-do list organizes your tasks for success. Prioritize your list by urgency or importance. Now, let's dive into SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Make your goals clear and concise. Now, let's see how ChatGPT can assist you. You can ask ChatGPT to help create daily plans. Simply provide your goals and preferences. It will generate personalized suggestions quickly. This makes planning faster and more enjoyable. Imagine planning your week in just a few minutes. You'll have a clear roadmap for your success. Let's recap what we've learned today. Daily routines create structure. To-do lists keep you organized. SMART goals make your aspirations achievable. And ChatGPT is your handy tool for planning. You're now equipped to take charge of your daily tasks. So, why not start planning for tomorrow today? Visit ChatGPT to create your personalized daily routine now. Unlock productivity and conquer your goals with ease. In the next video we will discuss about budgeting, meal plans, and life organization. Stay connected with us. Thank you.